Hi guys, today we demonstrate resetting the oil maintenance light. Let's start. When the instrument oil maintenance light is lit, it is a reminder to the owner to the service point for oil replacement. When replacing the oil, the technician is to do the oil maintenance light to reset. If not reset, the reminder warning is to continue to light up. The following oil maintenance light reset process. Insertion of Mucar VCI fittings. Click on maintenance. Click on oil maintenance reset. Wait for diagnostic system to enter. Prompt for access information. Click OK. Select your car model. Prompt switch on the ignition. Click OK. Wait for diagnostic system to enter. Click on auto reset. Click on oil reset iron maintenance. Click on adapting vehicle to fixed interval. Click on 5,000 km 180 days without that. The oil reset is complete.